In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crossplay Snowrunner, Xbox and PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Doing crossplay on Snowrunner is extremely simple. The game features full crossplay, and you will be able to crossplay between Xbox, PlayStation, and also PC. The game works by using session codes, so one of you is going to host the session and everyone else is going to join you. It doesn't matter who hosts the section, but one of you will have to go over to the main menu of the game and choose the option to start co-op. Select from one of your 4 available save files, and once you choose a save file, you will be able to start it. You can change the game from public to private if you want to ensure that only you and your friends can join. That way no other random people can join, and you can change the maximum amount of players to match everyone else who is going to be joining. Now, once you set up the maximum amount of players and the game privacy, you will be able to start and you will load yourself into the garage. Now, press the pause button or open the menu, and if you look at the bottom of the pause menu, you will be able to find the option to manage the party. Inside of manage party is where you will be able to find everyone who is currently connected to this session, and if you look at the top left, you can find the cross-platform invite code. So all that you have to do is copy this invite code and share it with your friends. Whoever is going to be hosting needs to stay here, do not leave the session, and while you are still in the session, everyone who is going to be joining will go over to start co-op, choose from one of their saved games, and then choose the option to connect to session by code. This will open up this prompt where you can input the session code that was given to you by the host. And as long as everyone connects to the same session, you will be able to set up the parameters, configure it, and then start playing all together. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay Snowrunner between Xbox and PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.